Now that was pretty good, Jess. That was pretty good. Pretty good? Pretty good? Was it good? You got a wobbly tooth. Which tooth is wobbly? That one. Right.